Hello everyone. Today's video about place value. As you can see on the whiteboard, here I draw the tables, place values tables, and here you can see the decimal point. From the decimal point to the left hand side, its first digit we call the units, then tens, hundreds, thousand. Same thing, if you move from the decimal point towards the right hand side, then it is a tens. See, look at this here. This tens, at the left hand side tens, I write the TEN as 10, and here TEN TH as tens. So try to understand the difference between them. Here, second place, whatever the digit after the decimal point to the right hand side, second digit we call the hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, and so on. Okay, see example 4. If I write any ordinary one number, like let's say 2, so this 2 has a only value is a 2. But if I says the 2 is at the 10th place, example for here, so this is not a 2 but 2 times 10, which is a 20. 2 times, let's say 2, so 2 times 10 equal 20. So because 2 is at the 10th place, that's why its value is a 20. Let's we take the one number 246. In a 246, if I try to adjust in this place value table, then 2 goes in 100 place in here. So 2 is 100, means 2 times 100. 2 times 100, 200, which at the 100 place. Okay, now 4 is at the 10th place, means 4 times 10, 40. So 4 is at the 10th place, and 6 is like a, let's we say the 6 times 1 means 6 only units. So 6 is a here. Okay, so these are we call the place value. But if I change, I keep this all 3 digit as it is 2, 4, 6, but I change the place of them. I move the 6 from the unit place to the 100 place. Let's say I'm writing here 100 place. 4 I move to the unit place, and 2 I move at the 10th place. So see, everyone going to change now value. Earlier 6 was only 6, we multiply by 1, but now it's at the 100 place. So 6 is a 600. 6 times 100, 600. Same thing. Earlier 2 was at the 100 place, means 200, but now in a second time I wrote 2 at the 10th place, means 2 is a only 20, not a 200, because it to change it place value. That's why its value going to be a different now. Okay guys, if something I write, I says number, let's say 304. So you might have a question, means you says the 304. So 3 at the 100 place, 4 is at the unit place. But what about the 10 place? You didn't say any tens. 304. So 10th place is as empty. So remember, if any place not speak a number, then we can put the 0 as a placeholder. So 304 can return 304. Okay. Let me rub it out and writing the furthermore. Okay. Now let's we take little bigger number, 5672. Okay, 5672. So as you know, 5 is at the 1000 place. So we supposed to write here 5 is at the 1000 place, because 5 times 1000 equal 5000. Okay, so 5 is a 5000. Let's see 6. 6 is at the 100 place, means 6 times 100 equals 600. So 6 is at the 100th place. So value of the 6 is a 100. Now let's see 7. 7 is at the 10th place. So 7 times 10, which is a 70. So we are writing in a 10th column. 10th column I mean. And 2 at the unit place. So 2 times 1 equal 2, and it is we write it in a unit column. Okay, so this is the number. But if I says the 5672.34 means decimal point, after decimal point here 2 digit at the right hand side, as I told you 10th place, after decimal right hand side we call first digit the 10th place, right? So 3 tenths means 3 times 10th, 1 over 10 means 3 tenths, okay, 3 tenths. So 3 is here, and you supposed to write this 2, we can write 2, this 7 we can say 70, this 6 we says the 600, this 5 we says the 5000, because according to the place value. So this 3 we can write like a 3 over 10, 3 tenths, okay. Same thing for the 4. 4 is at the 100th place, 100th place. So what you can say, we can say 4 times 1 over 100 means 400th, okay, or 4 over 100. So 4 is at the 100th place, so you could say also 400th or 4 over 100. Clear? So decimal point, after decimal point if you move to the right hand side, it's go order in a 10th place, 100th place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, and so on and on and on. So every digit has a place value according to where it is. Of course, if I says only 6, I says okay, 6 pen means 1 2 3 4 5 6 pen, but this 6, if here in this number 5672, in that number 6 is at the 100th place. So if I says okay, 600 pen, so difference between 6 and 600 is too big, right? Just because the 6 is the same looks like, but because it's where it is located, where it stand on which place, that is the most important. So that's why place value is really important, and try to understand. Thank you for watching.